Want to know how to sign out of Google AI Studio? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now, first off, simply open up your favorite web browser and simply type in Google AI Studio on your URL or the search bar. Now, once you're there, here you will be provided with this first link right here, which is the official google.com studio. So simply select it, and once I've done that, this should open up right here. So this is your official Google AI Studio website. And now in order to log out, on the top right you can see your profile like thing right here. So simply select it. This is your Google account. Now to sign out, simply select sign out right here. So make sure to keep in mind that if you sign out of this Google AI Studio, you will be signed out of the entire web browser's Google account. So you need to sign in again for that. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.